Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities on Tuesday, June 9th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mixed today. The S&P 500 index fell 19.41 points to 7,386.31 due to strong downward volatility. The Dow 30 index increased by 86.10 points to close at 50,872.11, exhibiting a very strong positive trend. The Russell 2000 index also showed strength, rising 11.60 points. The market breadth saw strength today. S&P 500 had 363 advances to 125 declines despite a drop in price. Russell 2000 showed robust market breadth with 1,224 advances over 557 declines. The S&P 400 midcap also had strong breadth, with 293 stocks advancing. For total and daily returns, Russell 2000 leads with a year-to-date return of 15.52%. S&P 400 midcap follows with 12.93%. Despite a downward trend, Nasdaq Composite holds a strong yearly gain of 10.48%. On the sector front, real estate led with a 2.1% climb, marking a new all-time high close. Basic materials gained 1.7% despite mixed trends, while healthcare rose 1.2% with some upward volatility. The industrials and utilities sectors also closed positively, maintaining strong positive trends. Technology was the day's laggard, dropping 1.8% with downward volatility. Energy followed with a 1.5% decline, breaking downward after a flat stint. Despite upward movements in consumer cyclical, communication services, and financial services, trends remained mixed. Among global markets, Indonesia showed a remarkable jump, up 7.4% despite a negative trend. Chile followed with a 2.9% increase, while Italy and Netherlands posted steady gains, continuing strong positive trends. In global returns, Netherlands leads with an impressive year-to-date return of 18.31%. Italy trails closely with 9.53%, maintaining strong trends. Meanwhile, Indonesia faces a significant negative return despite today's uptrend. In the technology sector, Apple saw a significant drop, closing at 290.55, down 10.99 from the previous session, enduring strong downward volatility today. Alphabet edged up slightly to 362.29, marking a four-day sideways pattern. Amazon ended at 244.19, decreasing by 1.3, showing some volatility spread over 7 days. Meta Platforms fell to 584.59, undergoing a very strong negative trend. Lastly, Nvidia also experienced a downturn in price to 208.19 with strong intraday volatility.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 61,988.88, down 1,074.10, marking a 1.7% drop with a very strong negative trend. Ethereum also faces a harsh downturn, down 35.5 to 1,654.84, a 2% dip. BNB sits at 596.69, losing 5.24 as it follows a very strong downward trajectory. Solana, priced at 65.38, decreased by 1.43, a 2.1% fall with recent sideways movement. Dogecoin is currently at 0.0852, slightly down by 0.0010 with a flat price of late. Despite insignificant price change for Dogecoin, it has decreased by 0.0010 to 0.0852. Bitcoin has seen significant deterioration, with year-to-date returns down nearly 29.15%. Ethereum follows, with a year-to-date slide of approximately 44.22%. BNB and Solana mirror these trends, showing significant year-to-date downturns of 30.91% and 47.46%, respectively.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar weakened mildly against the euro, trading at 0.8661, a decrease of 0.0005. Meanwhile, against the British pound, the dollar saw a more substantial drop of 0.3%, resting at 0.7473. The dollar strengthened against the Japanese yen, rising to 160.3690, up by 0.1960. Against the Swiss franc, it climbed slightly to 0.7984, an increase of 0.0006, continuing its upward streak for 4 consecutive days. In contrast, against the Australian dollar, the dollar gained 0.27%, with a current price of 1.4225, continuing its volatility over the past 5 days.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.